Hello guys, so today again guys, we have a new product from AB World, the Godox CL10. Yan, ito siya guys. CL10 is an RGB LED light. So yesterday we did unbox and check the light, which is the new one, which is in my side, which is the ES45. So if you still not check the video on this one or vlog for this product guys, I will link on up guys. Ito ang link niya for this brand, so or this product, the ES45. Again guys, for today we have the new Godox CL10, and this is the cheapest RGB now guys. So yan, if you are looking for a cheap solution for RGB lights or for your backlighting or any terms of RGB, this is one of the not cheapest but at least good quality. Yeah, this is affordable. Yon. Let's check the light, test the light, and unbox the light. So, ayan. Again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So, tara, unboxin natin kagad guys. Ayan. Napakasimple na ng box niya. So, kasi nga, medyo mura-mura ito. Kaya, simplehan na lang. So, ayan, again guys, similar with yesterday or previous vlog that we made, they have a similar application that you're gonna use guys. Yan, sa Godox. Basta pakita ko sa screen. Similar guys. And I'll show you how to connect. Yan. So, ayan, nasa screen, nakalagay. Yan, basahin nyo kung check. Again, the price guys is 19KD 950. Kaya, one of the cheapest LED RGB light. Yan. So, first, makikita nyo mga manuals at silicone. Quality control. Yan, pasado sa quality control. Manuals, andun na. Yan, ito na kaagad ang plato. Ito na kaagad ang LED lights. Kala mo speaker siya, pero hindi siya speaker guys. It's LED lights. So, yan. So, bubungad kaagad yung LED lights. Andito yung LED lights natin. Siyempre, you have a small stand. Yan, para ma-stand mo siya dyan. Yan. Then, you have two white boxes. Ayan guys. Ayan, wala nang laman. So, yun, yung styro lang. Yan. So, let's check the lights guys and connect to the application. So, tara. Okay guys, so again, the two white box here guys. First, ayan, this is a socket from your USB. Yan. So, this is from here, Middle East o UA. Ewan ko, kalimutan ko. Then, again guys, you have another box here. Of course, you have your USB to your USB-C, because actually guys, this is powered by USB-C and the power. So ayan lang guys, napakasimpleng function lang. And of course, you have your, ang hirap tanggalin, yan, nakuha kay remote. You have your remote here. Yan. So testing natin siya guys. So, tara, let's go and test the lights. So again guys, let's test with the remote control guys. So let's turn on the lights. So yan, oh, di ba? So you can make the brightest high. Yan. You can change the color, you know. Oh, see, you have all the colors here. Yan, you have green, blue. Yan. So you have your remote here guys. Again, let's try to use this on application. Connect to the application. So let's try to turn off and use the application. And again guys, so let's connect through our application Godox Light. So similar with the application for the ES45. Yan. So we have a demo RP. We can add a light. Check the device. Okay. Refresh. CL10. Ayan. There's also already CL10 mentioned. Just check and confirm. So it's loading, it's connecting guys. So let's wait for yan. Oh, so it's connected now guys. Now I have two lights connected. I connect already with the ES45, and now I have also the CL10. So yan. Let's I can turn off, for example, I want to turn off the ES45. See, you can control off and on the ES45 or CL10. Yan. So if I go by CL10 RGB light, I have all the option. It's different option compared for the ES45. So I have the option here guys. Ayan oh. Oh. So you can control. So it's very nice backlight. So if you want to put RGB lights for your background, so this is one of the best guys, and more cheaper. Of course, it's 20KD. for hair in AB World. So again, if you want to check, if you want to order online, you can visit to our website www.abworld.com. So and guys, so it's very easy, simple to use. So yeah, touch and ano mo lang dyan, touch and drag. So if you want to select the colors, for example, I want to select in the blue area. So I can go from this area, guys. From the red area, yan, see? Of green and yeah, medyo white and blue. Tapos the opacity, not opacity, the dimmer is already here. You can dim the lights, yan. Even you can check the hue and saturation. So for saturation, you can make 100% saturation. 100% saturation. So at least you have the full color, guys. Yan, confirm 100 saturation. So if you want a red, it will go by very red, guys. So yan. Use hue and saturation. You can check all the colors, guys, from the hue. Saturation, I think it's good if you are if you put in 100% saturation. So let's try, guys, to use this on the dark area. So tara. And again, guys, so let's test the light. So ayan, it's connected to our application. Ayan, you can also, this is the light, guys, the CL10. So for our backlight, ayan, you can change the light, see, through your application. So again, this is very helpful if you are recording alone in your area. So ayan, so instead you will go to your light and change the color, you can do it on your application. So ayan, di ba? So it's very nice and very useful application. So I think that's for today, guys. Check that, guys. Very nice and affordable. For 20 KD, you have your RGB and controlled by via application. So ayan, guys, check na lang, ba? And again, guys, sorry, we have also another control for the lights. We have the HSI, RGBW or RGB with white or warm, gel filter, FX or the effects, and color picker. Yeah, it's very nice, guys, color picker. So color picker, for example, I want to take color from any color, guys. So select photos, and for example, no, cancel. Yeah, mabagal pa. So okay, allowed. For example, I want the color which is green. Take photo, guys, and it will go, use the photo and it will go by green. Yeah, done. So done, and the lights will be green. Yeah, totally green. Tama ba? Yes, you can confirm, save, it will be green, guys, again. And the next option, guys, you have the effects. Yeah, you have tons of effects, guys, 4, 8, 12, 15. So you have RGB cycle, you have the flash, the laser, the lightning, broken bulb, TV, candle, fire, fireworks, and police car. Ayan, police car, guys, it's very nice, diba? So fire truck, ambulance, music, SOS, and so on and so forth, guys. So ayan, all the application is already here, guys. So just check this CL10 Godox. So, and again, guys, so I think that's it for today. So again, our product for today is the Godox CL10. So guys, if you are thinking to buy for your RGB lights for your background, check this light, guys. I think it's for 20 KD, 20 dinar. I will put a conversion how much in peso and US dollar. Check this light, guys. I think this is a good light. And again, this is not battery operated, so, or you can use it power bank. Yeah, correct. If you have power bank, because this is USB-C. The power from USB-C direct to power or power bank. Yon. So you can use either power bank or USB-C. Yeah, okay. Then, Godox CL10. So if you want to know more about our products regarding our Godox lineup lights, you can visit to our website www.aabworld.com. So nandun lahat, guys, all the lights from Godox, Aperture, ano pa, Bisico, dyan, or all the Godox lineup. Because not only this RGB, we have COB, we have strobe light, flashlight, strobe light, speed lights. So already there, guys, different modifiers from softbox, octabox, beauty dish, and name it, guys. So I think that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin at members ng Team Positive. At syempre, si Palaboy, ayun, medyo Nagkapera kahapon eh. Saka galing pera no, kasi adobo yung pagkain niya eh.
Tulak.
Nagtulak? Ay, nagtulak. Ano ba yun? Siya nagsabi ng bayan, hindi ako ah. Si Brian nagsabi, nagtulak kaya. Ayun. At syempre, si Palaboy nga, check nyo yung channel niya. Laging kumakain doon. Kung ano may kinakain doon. So, check nyo lang guys. At syempre, si Brian Puntanar, ang ating cameraman man today. Malapit na ang isda rin niya kasi magtataglamig na. Check nyo yun, magkano kami. Mga limasag. Yun. So, ingitin namin si Ate Samra. Ay, si Ate Samra. Pakita mo ba? Yan. So, marami kaming kakaining alimasag. Inshallah, makahuli kami ng marami. So, again guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.
Lumapag mga talento ay taglay na hindi pangkaraniwang Pinoy na manggagawa dito sa gitnang silang Pinag-usaya mga obra na hindi ka maboboring Patok na patok, mga video always trending.